Welcome to this tutorial on the AWS Management Console and navigating its interface. The AWS Management Console is one of the most important tools you'll use when working with Amazon Web Services. By the end of this video, you'll understand how to efficiently navigate and use the console to manage your cloud resources. The AWS Management Console is a web-based interface that serves as your central hub for accessing and managing all Amazon Web Services. Think of it as your control panel for the cloud. Instead of using complex command line tools, the console provides a visual, user-friendly way to create, configure, and monitor your AWS resources. Everything you need to manage your cloud infrastructure is accessible through this single, unified platform. To access the AWS Management Console, simply navigate to console.aws.amazon.com in your web browser. The login process involves 3 straightforward steps. First, enter your AWS account email address or account ID. Second, provide your password. And third, if you have enabled multi-factor authentication, or MFA, complete the MFA verification. Multi-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security to your account and is highly recommended for protecting your cloud resources. Once you log in, you'll arrive at the console home screen, which contains several key components. The search bar at the top allows you to quickly find services, features, and resources without navigating through menus. The Recently Visited section provides convenient access to services you use frequently. Customizable widgets display important information like your current costs, service health status, and resource summaries at a glance. Finally, the Build Solutions area offers quick links to create common resources and get started with popular AWS services. The navigation bar at the top of the console contains 4 essential components. The Services menu, represented by a hamburger icon with 3 horizontal lines, provides access to all AWS services organized by category. The Region Selector, shown with a globe icon, lets you choose which geographic region your resources will be deployed in. The Notifications bell icon displays alerts and important system messages about your account and services. Finally, the Account menu provides access to your account settings, billing information, and security credentials. When you open the Services menu, you'll find AWS services organized into logical categories. The Compute category includes services like EC2 for virtual servers, Lambda for serverless functions, and ECS for container management. Storage services include S3 for object storage, EBS for block storage, and Glacier for long-term archival. Database services feature RDS for relational databases and DynamoDB for NoSQL databases. Networking services include VPC for virtual networks, CloudFront for content delivery, and Route 53 for DNS management. Security services like IAM for identity management, KMS for encryption keys, and Cognito for user authentication. And management tools like CloudWatch for monitoring and CloudTrail for audit logging. Region selection is a critical aspect of using AWS. Most AWS services are region-specific, meaning you must select the appropriate region before creating resources. The region you choose affects 3 important factors. First, user proximity and latency. Selecting a region closer to your users reduces latency and improves performance. Second, compliance and data residency regulations. Certain industries and countries require data to be stored in specific geographic locations. And third, pricing, as costs for the same services can vary between different regions. Always verify you're in the correct region before deploying resources to avoid confusion and unnecessary data transfer costs. The search bar is one of the most powerful features of the AWS console. It provides quick access by letting you jump directly to any service without clicking through menus. The search delivers smart results including services, features, and documentation that match your query. You can activate the search instantly using a keyboard shortcut. Just press the / key. The search also helps you find valuable resources like tutorials, best practices, and troubleshooting guides. Using the search bar effectively can significantly speed up your workflow and help you discover features you might not have known existed. The AWS console allows you to customize your experience to match your workflow. You can pin your frequently used services to the navigation bar for instant access without searching or browsing through categories. The dashboard widgets can be customized to display the specific metrics and data that matter most to your projects, whether that's cost tracking, resource utilization, or service health status. Additionally, you can switch between light and dark themes in your account settings to reduce eye strain and match your personal preference. Taking a few minutes to customize your console can greatly improve your daily productivity. Let's recap the key points from this tutorial. First, the AWS Management Console is your centralized hub for managing all AWS services through an intuitive web interface. Second, use the search bar for quick navigation to any service or resource. It's the fastest way to get where you need to go. Third, always verify you're in the correct region before creating resources, as this affects performance, compliance, and costs. And fourth, customize your experience by pinning frequently used services and arranging dashboard widgets to match your workflow. With these fundamentals, you're now ready to navigate the AWS Management Console confidently and efficiently. Thank you for watching, and happy cloud computing.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.